Hey everybody, this is Michael at RC4WD Drive. Today I'm going to do a quick product review on our RC4WD Drive CNC bumper mounts for the Traxxas TRX-4. So we have part number ZS1840 and ZS1842. So bear with me for a couple minutes as I change these out. Alright guys, now that I have these installed, you can see that they're a direct replacement for the stock plastic mounts. So these are going to add a lot of rigidity when you use one of our RC4WD Drive bumpers. They got that really nice black anodized finish. So they're just going to add a bunch of strength to the front when you want to mount one of these bumpers. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mount one of the Traxxas bumpers that we make. This is the ZS543. It's the metal front bumper specifically for this truck. Alright, here's the bumper with the two round posts and should just slide right in. And using the same screws from the Traxxas truck. So the benefit of doing that is now you have this super solid front bumper mount, so you're not going to get any rocking on your bumper. It really just ties everything together. So on the rear, I'm going to put on one of our steel Marlin bumpers. This is part number ZS0767. So this is full steel construction. Alright, so now we got the rear one installed. You can see how easy that just went right in there, and again, extremely solid mount. So that's it guys. It's a pretty simple job. It's only 4 screws per bracket, and then using the screws from the Traxxas truck to hold the bumper in place, you just screw them right down and tighten them in. They got those big 4mm threads, so it's going to hold everything nice and tight. So if you have any questions or comments on this, you can leave them down below, and we'll see you on the trails.